How to add background in Canva. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily add a background to any image using Canva AI. Plus, I've got a pro tip for crafting the perfect prompt to generate stunning backgrounds. So make sure to watch till the end to catch that tip. Let's get started. To add a background to your image, first make sure you upload an image without a background. I've already uploaded mine to Canva. Now, click on the image to select it. Then go to the top menu and click on the Edits button. Once you clicked Edit, a new editing panel will appear on the side. Look for Magic Studio. It's the first option. Under Magic Studio, click on Background Generator. The background generator is now open. Here you'll see a box asking you to describe the new background you want. Below the box, there's a button called Inspire Me. Click it, and Canva will give you some background ideas. Every time you click it, it gives a new one. But for this video, I want to create my own background. I want to add a beach background with a sunny blue sky. So I'll type that in the box, then click Generate. Canva shows 4 results. Pick the one you like best. If you don't like them, just click Regenerate to get new ones. Now, you might be wondering, how do I come up with the perfect prompt for my background? No worries, here's a pro tip. Head over to ChatGPT and upload your image. Then type this command, write a prompt to add beach background on this image. ChatGPT will instantly give you a detailed prompt. Just copy it, paste it back into Canva, and click Generate. Your image now has the perfect background, and that's it. A quick and easy way to add custom backgrounds in Canva using AI. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more Canva tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.